Well, you don't look good, Joe.
The fridge broke, so I had to eat everything. Cold cuts, ice cream, limes. And, hey, what was in that brown jar?
That's still in there?
Not anymore. So anyway, how do you want to pay me?
Is this a service you're providing me?
No, for my new fridge, for our new fridge.
Our new fridge? I don't live here anymore.
So what? Look, okay, suppose we were a divorced couple, and I got custody of the kid, right? Now suppose the kid dies, and I got to buy a new kid.
Okay.
Give me $400.
Thank God you're pretty.